Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mommies and daddies, uncles and aunties, brothers and sisters. You all are welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to this channel, you are absolutely welcome. Like I said earlier, this will change your mind about Abuja. The creation of Abuja, Nigeria's capital city, stands as a testament to African ingenuity, ambition, and a desire for self-determination. In this video, I'll be showing you guys Nigeria's capital city, Abuja, like you have never seen before, from the central business district to the mixed commercial areas. Then later in the video, we'll visit the two most popular neighborhoods in Abuja. From the inception in the 1970s to its realization as a bustling metropolis, Abuja exemplifies the aspirations of a nation striving for excellence. Prior to Abuja's emergence, Nigeria's capital was Lagos, a city situated on the country's southwest coast. Abuja's strategic location in the heart of Nigeria was carefully chosen to symbolize national unity and cohesion. Situated at the geographic center of the country, Abuja serves as a symbolic bridge connecting Nigeria's various ethnic, cultural, and geographical regions. This central positioning underscores the government's commitment to fostering inclusivity and representation for all Nigerians, regardless of their background or location. The planning and construction of Abuja were meticulous and comprehensive, reflecting a commitment to excellence and modern urban development. Nigerian planners and architects collaborated with international experts to design a city that would meet the needs of a growing population, while also embodying the aspirations of a nation on the rise. The result is a city characterized by wide boulevards, green spaces, modern infrastructure, and iconic landmarks. One of the most striking aspects of Abuja's development is its distinctly African character. Unlike some capital cities in Africa that bear the imprint of colonial influence in their architecture and layout, Abuja's design reflects ingenious Nigerian aesthetics and cultural heritage. From the sprawling National Mosque to the imposing Aso Rock, Abuja's landmarks pays homage to Nigeria's rich history and traditions, while embracing the promise of the future. Abuja's emergence as a cosmopolitan hub has not been without challenges. Rapid urbanization, infrastructure development, and social integration have presented ongoing complexities for city planners and policymakers. Nevertheless, Abuja continues to evolve and adapt, driven by the resilience and determination of its residents and leaders. The Central Business District of Abuja represents the economic, political, and administrative heart of Nigeria's capital city. Situated at the core of Abuja, this district serves as vital hubs for commerce, governance, and civic life, embodying the city's aspirations for modernity and efficiency. The Abuja is characterized by its impressive skyline, modern architecture, and bustling commercial activity. It is home to a myriad of businesses, including corporate headquarters, financial institutions, government offices, hotels, restaurants, and retail establishments. Abuja's layout is carefully planned with wide avenues, pedestrian-friendly sidewalks, and green spaces interspersed throughout the urban landscape. Abuja is home to important government institutions, including the Federal Secretariat Complex, which houses various ministries, agencies, and departments of the Nigerian government. The planning and development of the CBD and administrative districts reflect a commitment to efficient urban design, accessibility and functionality. Infrastructure such as roads, transportation networks, utilities, and telecommunications are carefully integrated to support the needs of businesses, government institutions, residents, and visitors alike. Abuja serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for other African nations seeking to assert their identity and aspirations on the global stage. Its success underscores the potential for African countries to chart their own course towards progress and prosperity, free from the constraints of colonial legacies. The Maitama neighborhood, located in close proximity to Abuja Central District, is renowned for its opulence, luxury, and exclusivity. This upscale residential area is home to some of Africa's wealthiest individuals, including politicians, business tycoons, and diplomats. Often referred to as a haven for the elite, Maitama boasts lavish mansions, high-end apartments, and gated communities, offering a lifestyle of privilege and sophistication. Maitama's reputation as a sanctuary for the wealthy has not been without controversy. Critics may argue that the concentration of wealth and privilege in neighborhoods like Maitama exacerbates socio-economic inequalities and widens the gap between the rich and the poor. Moreover, there has been allegations of corruption and illicit wealth accumulation amongst some of Maitama's residents, raising questions about accountability and transparency in Nigeria's political elite. Located in the heart of Abuja, the nation's capital, is a place called Maitama, which is surrounded by other prestigious areas such as Asokoro, Wuse, and Central Business District. The area is known for its luxurious homes with large villas, mansions, and government-owned properties. It's often home to high-ranking government officials, diplomats, and business tycoons. Maitama is home to several embassies and diplomatic missions, making it an interesting and international neighborhood. This includes embassies like countries like the United States, South Africa, and the United Kingdom. The district is well planned with a focus on green spaces, offering a pleasant environment with parks, gardens, and wild tree-lined streets. Maitama is known for its high-end shopping centers, boutique stores, luxury shopping malls attracting both local and tourists looking for exclusive products. The area has a growing number of fine dining restaurants, bars, and cafes, offering a wide range of international and local cuisines in sophisticated settings. Despite being a central district, Maitama offers a relatively calm and peaceful residential environment, making it attractive to those seeking privacy and tranquility in the bustling city. Like much of Abuja, Maitama was developed as part of the planned relocation of Nigeria's capital from Lagos to Abuja in the 1990s. Maitama continues to be a symbol of affluence and modernity in Nigeria's capital. If you have watched this video up until this point, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I would also like for you to share this video to your friends, your loved ones. And I also like you to comment. Thank you. That'll be all for this video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. I upload videos every Wednesday, so stay tuned for more interesting videos of related content. Bye for now. See you soon.